Hello, I am going to show you a few shortcuts and effects for Photoshop. To create a new layer in Photoshop, press Ctrl, Shift, N. You can change brush size by holding Alt, then right-click drag. To duplicate a layer, hold down Alt, then left-click drag the layer. You can select multiple layers by holding down Shift, then left-click the layers. To change a picture from day to night, first add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. Then change saturation to -65. Now add color lookup adjustment layer. Then under 3D LUT, select night from day. Then add a levels adjustment layer. Now drag the lower right slider to 140, then midtones to 0.95. Now we select the picture, then under select at the top, sky. It will select the sky. Now select the night sky picture, then new mask button. And that's it. To make a glow effect, go to Select, then Subject. Then use the Quick Selection tool to unselect parts you don't want to glow. Hold Alt and left-click to unselect. Now copy and paste the selection by pressing Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Then add a color lookup adjustment layer. Then select Moonlight under 3D LUT. Duplicate the glow object. Then select Linear Dodge, add. Convert to Smart Object. Then duplicate the layer. Go to Filter, then under Blur select Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 5. Duplicate the layer again. Then change the Gaussian radius value to 20. Duplicate one more time. Set radius value to 60. Now group the layers for the glowing object by selecting them, then press Ctrl+G. Add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. Click Colorize, then click the Select Only Layer below button. Change saturation to 100, then pick any color. Now create a new layer. Press I to select Eyedropper tool, then select the glow color. Select Brush, then flow to around 20%, then paint highlights. Go to Blending Mode, select Color Dodge, then lower the fill % value. Select the picture, then create a new hue/saturation adjustment layer. Now change saturation to -50. Click Color Lookup, then create new levels adjustment layer. Drag lower right slider to 159, then midtone slider to 0.90. And that's it.